everyone, today we're going to be making a smoothie. So what you're going to need is half a cup of frozen mango and then half a cup of non-frozen mango, 1 banana, and then half of a lemon or lime. That's totally optional. I know that sounds a little strange, but I think that's the key ingredient for my special smoothie. And then normally I would use 1 cup of orange juice, but I don't have any orange juice right now, so I'm just gonna be using fruit punch. Okay, so I am gonna pour my frozen mango into the blender, my non-frozen mango, I'm gonna open my banana, cut it in half so it makes it easier to blend, and a little bit of my lemon, half of a lemon, and last, my fruit punch. Now that my smoothie is nice and blended, I'm gonna go ahead and pour